now we're working on this mini detail on this Lexus NX. So you can see this panel right here is all shiny. That's too much amoral versus that panel right there. It's a nice satin finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Koch Chemie Polestar Scrub Ninja. We're gonna go ahead and scrub it and then neutralize that cleaner. Check it out. Versus that. So this versus that. You can see it.